Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and today we're talking big trains, and I'm talking O scale. Our TSU-4400 decoder has been designed to fit a 4 amp stall current. So this is great for your O scale and larger models. And today in front of me we have an Atlas RS3 that we've taken apart and put in our Tsunami 2. In the fuel tank here you can see that we've taken two of our 28 by 40 mil oval speakers and mounted it in there in series, so that way we can dissipate that 3 watts of power that TSU-4400 is capable of. Now this was a relatively quick install. There was a circuit board that we took out, and with the screw terminals on our 4 amp decoder we were able to quickly install this, probably in about 45 minutes once we figured out which wires were for what purpose. Now, the O-scale decoder is good for any of our O-scale diesels. We've also got O-scale steam, and the steam decoder also has all of the same features that we've been talking about in our Tsunami 2 product line. Now, with the diesels, you can get an Alco decoder like we've got here in front of us, or you can get an EMD decoder, and that'll have all the sounds of the EMD on one locomotive decoder, as opposed to having to pick which one you're setting it into. There's also one for GE, and then one that I lovingly refer to as the Land of Misfit Toys. It's called the Baldwin and Others, and it basically has all of the different sounds that didn't justify a separate part number. Now, all of these are available in our 4 amp decoder as well as an electric version. And this is good for trolleys, streetcars, heavy electrics, little Joes, GG1s, anything. It's got all the settings built into that one decoder again, so you can customize the decoder to match your model. Now, for more information, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com. Go under the Products tab and you'll see there the Tsunami 2. Go to the Tsunami 2 and check out the TSU-4400. Now, this decoder is a 4 amp decoder. That means it supplies up to 4 amps to the motor power. There's also 6 lighting functions and a 3 watt amplifier. So this should be good for all of your O-scale needs. Now, for more information on what we've just talked about, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com and click on the Manuals tab and check out the user's guide for the respective steam and diesel and electric versions of the decoder. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to call us at any time. Support is at extension 22, and we're an email away at support@SoundTraxx.com.